You've got 5 seconds to think. Well, guys, if you said stage 2, you're wrong. If you say stage 1, you're correct. So whoever says stage 1 is paying attention. Okay, so stage 1, click it. Now, here, it basically edit and clear. So if I click edit and clear, you can edit some things that you don't like. For example, if you don't, well, you're not meant to go here anyways, yeah. Maybe here mostly. If you don't like the amount of money, maybe you want it 990 and then you want this one 60 instead of, or 69, and then you want that 204. Yeah, you can change it like that. And then once you finish, just go back to settings, training, question generation, okay. No intelligent report, no mode of operation, not accounting mode, not print, not email, definitely not speak, not duplicate, not colors, not convert to Word, definitely not mini menu, and definitely not playground. We're clicking training question generation. Click it. We're back. Woohoo! Okay, back to automatic right here. Stage 1. Okay, same on this side. If you clicked it, it'll do the same thing. Now add, which I'm going to click right now, is to add and edit some things in these statements. So, and if you want to delete draft, you can just start again. I might do that actually. And the accept draft and close means you'll accept it and close it and then download it. Okay? No, not download it. Print it. Okay? So then live view statement. So if you click live view statement, which should work, well, you can basically see what you're doing while you'd accept. You can basically see what you're doing. So live view statements, and then draft statement is we're in draft. So if you click live view statement, it'll take you to live generation, and then draft statement will take you to draft. We are in draft because we want to draft it. Okay, so I'm going to delete the draft.
Hi, this is Tamara again.
Okay.
I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Are you sure you want to delete all you have generated? Yes, I do.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now. Operation completed perfectly. Operation end.
Good. It's deleted everything. So, yep, I can make my own now, and I don't have to be, like using the old one, so I can just make my own. Now I'm going to click add. So you've seen what delete draft can do. I'm going to show you through the key settings. So key settings basically mean, for example, if you had max date is the 28th of the 1st, 2023. So date can't go more than the 28/1/2023. I'm going to change that in 2022 of the 5th of the 28th. Yeah. Then minimum amount is 2,000 minus 2,000.85. I want it 100, and the maximum amount is 2,000.88. I'm going to do it no, not 5,000, 1,000. Month remaining minimum is 2. I don't want it to. Maybe I should put it 9. Month remaining maximum is 9. Ooh, not 69, 9. Customer name, going to leave it exactly the same. Debt ID number, the minimum is, it ends in 1111. Debt ID maximum, it ends in 1199. Going to leave that the same. Single joint, I don't really mind going to put joint. Okay. So then, if I move on to the next one, general settings 2, month remaining minimum, I need to have it the same as the other one. So 1, 1, and 9 has to be the same. Okay, so we've done that. We're moving on. Can click next or back. I'm just clicking the top here. Accept errors, accept or reject. Accept, add complex errors, accepted or rejected. Going to leave that. Depth type 1. Going to leave that. Okay, I just clicked that randomly. You can put anything like maybe housing benefits. Yep, housing benefits. Now, oops, I'm done. Don't really need that. Payment errors, going to leave it as no. Okay. Back to, what am I doing? Okay, good. It's perfectly fine. It's exactly how I wanted it. Now, generate values.
Hi.
Okay.
This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Do you want to change the default data settings? Yes, I do.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now. Operation completed perfectly.
Wonderful.
Operation end.
Now, it's done it for me. Exactly what I want, but I need more levels. Yes, I want it 5. Good, it's done it. Nice and simple. Okay, so as you can see, the amount, it's not gone less than 100, and it's not gone more than 1,000, as you can see. Okay, now since I'm done, I'm going to click add generated data and draft.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Do you want to change the default data settings? Yes, I do.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now.
Okay, now I guess we have to wait patiently like we did before. Okay, guys, I think we're almost there.
Operation completed
Good.
perfectly. Operation end.
Okay, so it's done it for me. It's